Hiya, thought I'd just do a quick recap on the Fire Plow. So I had a bit of a break from the Fire Plow, and when I've been practicing I've not been able to coax the ancestral fire out of hiding, and there's a couple of key things. One is materials. So in the UK, poplar and lime on lime are the two main woods which work in the UK, and they need to be very well seasoned and very dry, no punkiness and no moisture at all. The base needs to be very secure and not moving, no movement, so the pressure goes into the board. Ground needs to be firm and hard, so pressure is going into the board and not being absorbed into the ground. Hand grip for me is overhand hand grip, so like this, and then that's my shape of my blade. And the key thing for the Fire Plow is that it needs a lot of downward pressure, and that was the key thing. That's what I hadn't been applying. And basically for me, because I'm not that heavy and I'm not that don't have that much strength, for me the posture is everything, and it just wasn't kneeling far enough back. So basically I'm putting all my weight on that, so I've got a lot of trust in this blade. This blade snaps, I'm basically going to face plant. That's what I need. I need this amount of pressure on it. So there we have it. The embryonic ancestral fire coaxed out of hiding by rubbing wood together.